Welcome to the final day of our challenge. In this meditation, we will start with setting an intention, followed by concentration and insight meditation. Now, find your most comfortable position. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap in a quiet and peaceful space. Keep your back upright, but not uptight. You can gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to the here and now. Start by bringing your awareness to the sounds around you. It could be the hum of a fan, distant traffic, the sound of your breath, birds chirping, or even the sound of your own breath. As you hear these sounds, observe them as they are. Don't label them as good or bad. Just let them pass through your awareness. If you hear more than one sound, simply make a note in your mind, or count them as 1, 2, and so on, without getting lost in the thoughts. Now, move your awareness to your body. Quickly scanning your body, starting from the top of your head and slowly moving down towards your feet. With every exhale, relax all the muscles in your face, shoulders, upper body, your legs, and feet. Notice any sensations and feelings in your body. Maybe coolness near your nostrils, tightness in your muscles, or any tingling sensations. Without changing them, simply observe without reacting or stopping the feeling. Remember, if you get distracted by a thought or any sensations, the first thing to do is to be relaxed. Accept you were distracted, then release the distraction and return to the object of focus. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Notice the impermanence of your breath. Every breath rises, falls, and disappears. So observe this natural cycle of breathing. Just like your breath, your thoughts, emotions, feelings, and sensations are impermanent. With this understanding and acceptance, we can find peace. Now, bring your awareness to your mind. Observe if anything is arising in the space of the mind. Thoughts, emotions, memories, or any mental images. Try to be an unbiased observer, observing thoughts and any mental events as they arise and pass, without getting lost in your thoughts and without trying to get rid of thoughts. If there are no thoughts, every now and then, intentionally generate any thought and watch that thought as it arises in your mind, and watch it as it seizes back into the space of the mind. So, observing the arising, abiding, and ceasing of the thought. As you are more relaxed and present, take a moment to cultivate love and compassion. You can cultivate this intention to open your heart for your own well being by repeating this out loud or in your head. May I have all the happiness and its causes. May I be free from suffering and its causes. Now, bring to mind any person you naturally desire to see happy and liberated. Repeat this out loud or in your head. May you have all the happiness and its causes. May you be free from suffering and its causes. Now, bring to mind all the beings that include the human world, animals, plants, insects, and every living creature living on the planet. See this beautiful healing light coming out from your heart and spreading out to our planet. With the same intention, repeat this. May you all have the happiness and its causes. May you all be free from suffering and its causes. May there be peace, love, and happiness. Now, as you gently bring your awareness to your thoughts, sensations, and emotions, take a moment to reflect on the interconnectedness of everything. Our inner world is a reflection of this interconnected web of life. Observe how your thoughts arise and pass away, influenced by countless conditions. Notice how your emotions, too, are not fixed or solid, but are fluid and ever-changing, just like the waves in the ocean. These waves are not separate from the ocean, just as your thoughts and feelings are not separate from the web of life. So allow yourself to rest in this understanding, seeing yourself as part of this vast, interconnected whole. In this space, there's no need to cling to thoughts or resist feelings. Simply observe them with compassion and understanding. Now, take a moment to visualize one goal, your most powerful intention that you would like to experience in your life. See that clearly in your mind's eye. Reflect on the fact that you are already this person. You have the resources, you have the courage to live this experience. As we close our practice, spend some time in gratitude. You have dedicated this time for yourself, for your well-being, and the well-being of others. It's a perfect time to show gratitude for this life. Take a mindful breath in and slowly exhale. As you come back to the present, invite some movement to your body. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Great work. If you have followed along with this meditation challenge, I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing and keep growing. Let's meditate again tomorrow. May you find success and happiness.